Welcome to Redline Review.
In May 2025, there were no substantial 2026 Winnebago Motorhome reviews. The latest 2025 model information suggests various 2026 features and developments may carry over or be updated. Spirit 26T Winnebago 2025 Family-Friendly Class C Motorhome. Winnebago Spirit 26 T-Class C Gas Motorhome with Ford E450 chassis with 350 horsepower, 7.3-liter V8. Dual slide-outs extend the living area in this 28-foot 5-inch model. The queen bed, cab-over bunk, U-shaped dinette, and sofa bed sleep 6. Kitchen has a 3-burner cooktop, 8.0 cubic foot double-door refrigerator, freezer, Corian surfaces, and flip-up counter extension. Bathroom contains 24 by 32 shower, lavatory, medicine cabinet, and foot pedal toilet. A DVD player, USB connections, and an amplified digital antenna are on the 32-inch HDTV. Climate control, 15,000 BTU AC and 30,000 BTU furnace. Safety features include tire pressure monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and front collision warning. The Spirit 26T delivers luxury and comfort for traveling families at $166,340. 2025 Class C Compact Winnebago View 24T Modern Features. The stylish and technologically advanced Winnebago View 24T Class C Motorhome is Mercedes-Benz Sprinter-based. Key features: Winnebago. Connect touchscreen or smartphone-controlled HVAC, lights and tank levels. Queen-size Murphy beds and cab-over beds sleep 4. Kitchen, 2-burner induction, LP stove, big domestic fridge, microwave, convection oven. Entertainment, 32-inch LED HDTV, JBL Bluetooth soundbar, digital antenna. Climate control, 15,000 BTU AC, heat pump, 20,000 BTU furnace. Safety features include lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warnings, and a digital rear view mirror. For a comfortable and technologically modern 2025 RV for couples or small families, consider the View 24T. VW Vista 26HE Class A moves fast. Class C maneuverability and Class A space define the Winnebago Vista 26HE RV. Key features: Ford F-53 with 362 horsepower Triton 6.8-liter V10 engine. Features include a 38 by 73 dinette slide-out, queen-size back bedroom, split bathroom and kitchen with double sink, 3-burner stove, and ample overhead storage. Entertainment, 32-inch HDTV with optional studio, loft with motorized drop-down bed. Climate control, 14,800 BTU AC and 30,000 BTU furnace. Large and comfortable, the Vista 26HE Class A Motorhome costs $87,217 base MSRP. Looking ahead to 2026 Winnebago RV, 2026 specifics are scarce, but they may build on 2025 versions. Smart technology, energy efficiency, and comfort are expected. Official Winnebago releases and authorized dealers provide the most accurate 2026 model information.